I would like you to try to guess how animals sound in Dutch.
I don't speak Dutch
Can you
anymore.
just say what you think it could be?
I can do some proposals.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not moo, because that's English. Mau.
Mo.
Cu in Portuguese or cu in Dutch?
Yeah, that's a very, very strong difference. Yeah.
That's the sound of
That's
cu
Brazilian
in
cool.
Dutch.
Yeah.
Boo.
Boo.
Okay.
Scared. Boo.
Boo.
Boo. Boo.
The cows boo.
That's a ghost in Brazil.
That's a ghost in Brazil.
Something like kikariki.
I'm tempted to say kikiriki, but that's a Spanish thing. I can only say it in Russian. Kukuriku.
Kokikoko. Kokoriko, I don't know.
Cocorico is a chicken.
Oh yeah, because it's very different.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Is that like caw?
I knew these. Cacao. I don't know.
Kukuluku.
Kukuliku. Oh, that's so nice. Kukuliku.
Oh, that's very pretty.
Kukuluku.
Eh?
Yeah, see? It's even closer to Kokoriko.
Kukuluku. Aww.
Cook.
Bok. Bok, 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 bok. Quack, 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 quack.
Walk.
Tok, tok, tok.
Tok, tok, tok.
Tok, tok, tok.
Tok, tok, tok. Tok, tok, tok.
Are you talking to me?
Wolf. Bark. Here I heard something people say baba.
Ow, ow.
Wow, wow. Ow, wow.
Ow, ow.
Rof.
Yes, I quite like rough. Rough sounds reasonable.
Bow. Bow. No.
Woof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Woof. Woof.
You got it.
Yeah.
Woof, woof. Waff. Well, could be. Could be. Could be. Yeah.
Vuff.
Oh, I thought
Voff.
I'd heard the Voff.
Roof of wolf. Yeah? Yeah, okay.
Meow.
Mew.
Mao.
Smew. Puss.
Mouth. Mouth.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. That's very much like the US. See, now these are trick questions because that's what I wanted to say.
Just like in English.
But not spelled the same.
Meow. Yeah, meow. Meow, I think is universal.
This is the only one university, I think.
Ark.
Hello.
Hoi.
They can say anything. This is a trick question.
That depends how well trained it is.
I like hoi. All like to say it rhymes.
Do we have that in Portuguese?
Well, we speak like a papagaio in Brazil.
So Dutch papagayo can say two things,
Ah.
of which one is lorre.
Really? Okay. So
Oh,
that's
like
the same.
loro.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay.
Lauren.
Lauren?
Lorre.
Uh-huh.
Or kopiekrauw.
Oh, yeah, they stroke their feathers, huh?
Like this?
Yeah. Kopiekrauw. Kopiekrauw.
Okay, I would never have guessed that.
No.
Kopiekrauw.
It's cute.
It's nice. I like this. Peppa Pig. Something like this.
Oink, oink. No.
Kruk, kruk. I'm just making them sound.
So it's oink in English.
In Russia, it's хрю-хрю.
Krom, krom.
Now the Dutch varken says knor.
Knor.
Can pigs even make that sound?
They can talk. I didn't know that. That's great.
Knor, knor.
Knor. Knor?
This is a brand. Okay, knorretje is a small pig. That is why.
Oh, like knorretje. Knorretje.
Knor, like a snore.
Knor. Oh.
Кря кря.
Uak.
Ka, klak klak.
Quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack quack.
Quack, quack, I think.
Quack quack.
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 Quack. Quack.
Quack.
Oh yeah, quack.
Quack.
Could be quack, yeah. Do frogs make a noise? Walk. Like walk.
Clicker.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Gaga.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Yeah, it says rabbit.
The rabbit says frog, frog.
Well, because rabbit is not an animal in Portuguese.
The kicker says quack quack.
Yeah.
Quack quack.
Quack.
Okay, also the same language.
Also,
Quack, quack.
The frog says the same thing as the duck? No, they can speak together. Quack. Oh, I didn't think they spoke.
No sound.
fish make sound. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bop, bop, bop. Blub. Blub, blub. Yeah, they just do this. Blub, blub. Glub, glub.
Yeah, if they're kind of dying.
Yeah,
we'll
blurb.
Dutch, this says blub. Blub, blub.
Blub, blub. Blub. Blub, blub.
Blub, blub.
blub, blub, blub. Okay.
Blub, blub, blub.